Hey there, pickle peeps! Melissa from The Handmade How, and today we have a really cool unboxing going on. So, drop in the comments if you want to be a YouTuber too, right? I want to give you guys the best YouTube experience that I can, so I went in for professional help. And I signed up for this program called the VIP Code by Marley Jaxx. And I will let you guys know later on, like, what I think of the program, how it is. So far, like, as of right now, I'm really excited for it. And one of the cool things that happens when you sign into Marley's program is you can get a box. A starter box, yes. It is a plain box. We're looking here, and today we are going to be unboxing the box. It's like I haven't really gotten much into Marley's trainings yet, as I do, like I said, I'll give you guys reviews on what I think of her program. But for right now, we are gonna open up the box. So she had a special name for this box. When you sign up for the VIP code, you can maybe it's like the content creator box, something like that, I forget, and it doesn't say it on it anywhere. So points for having a big black box. Lack of points because there's no labeling on the box. So if I didn't see that it came from Marley Jaxx, I wouldn't know what this is. But anyway, shall we open the box? Yes! We start off with some tape. So let's get out our handy dandy scissors, right? And let's get this thing open. What do we gotta do? Here we go. It is open and woo! You're seeing it before I do! And I'm not gonna try my best not to drop it. Okay. So, yeah. Also inside box. Okay. All right. What do we got in here? What do we got? Let's see. So let's start. I'm just going to start pulling stuff out at random because there doesn't seem to be a order here. So we're going to start off with a water bottle that says Infinite Impact. And the lion is her branding. I just got it. Oh my God. I've been staring at this lion and her branding being like, what does anything have to do with the lion? And she's got like the Pride Award and stuff like that with the lion. And it wasn't until I held it up here and saw it, the lion next to the camera, I'm like, oh, Metro Goldwyn. You watch the old fashioned, like if you watch like, say like Wizard of Oz or whatnot, or any of those older movies, and it has the roaring lion in the front, Metro Goldwyn, yeah. I'm a dork. I'm a geek. All right, what's next? This is, I think, the bag that the water bottle was sitting in, perhaps before I shook the box. All right, what's next? We have a pop socket that also has the Infinite Impact on there. So, yay, I don't actually have a pop socket on my phone. We shall see about that. What else is in here? We have a little journal, all appropriately branded. Logo not centered. That bugs me, but whatever. And let's see here. I'm doing this like one-handed. Can I open the journal one-handed? We'll see. I want to know, are there lines? There's a pocket in the back. I love that. And, oh, yay! I will actually use this one because it is college ruled paper. I hate standard wide ruled paper, but this is the nice little line, so beautiful. I love it. It's like a reporter's notebook. All right, what else we got in here? We have a great big sticker. Woohoo! What does it say? Infinite Impact Army, because it's looking reverse on the screen to me, and I can't see that stuff. So I don't know. Maybe this will go on my handy dandy whiteboard. Maybe it'll go somewhere else. I don't know. Like, I like collecting stickers, but I don't like sticking them on things. What else is in here? This is very entertaining. So, quiet on set, I'm filming. Not that anyone would ever see this. It is a dream of mine, though, to be able to put one of the neon lights above the door or on the door or whatever to the studio. That's like quiet on the set or filming in progress. Something like that where you have the switch, you can turn it on and off. That's a dream of mine. That is a dream. Okay, what else we got in here? This is the part that I was really excited about. This is a telescoping tripod. And actually for this, I'm going to put the box down over there because I want to open this and I want to see it. This is why I got the box, was for the stupid tripod. Not that I don't have enough tripods. I have the tripod you're sitting on. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tripods just in the studio alone right now. But this one is going to be awesome for on the go. And let's see. There's instructions in there that I am not going to open. So let's pull this out. And for this one, this is so cool. So let's see. There's the telescoping part to make it tall. Got it. Ooh. That bends really nice. And let's see. How do I get... Oh. Here we go. All right, see, I really like that it can be so compact like that. We have a nice tripod in there. You can pull that. Let's see, how tall does it get? Decently tall. That's not bad. That's like, it's a little bit below where you guys are. Okay, I don't know how you make it lock. If there's a way to do that. Because right now, it's just kind of, and I have a heavy phone, so... Ooh, and then it's got little clips pop out like that. Nice. And does it extend up? Okay, my phone might fit. Beautiful. So that's cool. But I figure like on the go, if I'm traveling, if I'm at shows, if I'm at different craft shows, if I'm on the road, if I'm on vacation, because you know these things always happen. So I love how compact this is. I can throw it in my backpack. I can throw it in my pocketoo, and I'm ready to go. Alrighty. Maybe there's a way to lock it. I just don't know. And since I am meticulous, I put everything back in their packaging. Alright. So what else is in the box? Because that is not it. Pulling the box back over. We also have entertaining things. What is this thing called? Is that like a clapper? Quiet on the set. Video 3, take 5, click, right? Does it actually do it? Goes up and woohoo! Do you know what the actual point of those are besides like telling you what's on, what scene, what take and all of that? But the clap sound creates an audio spike when you're looking at the sound waves, and that lets you jump to cut points very quickly when you're editing. So all the fun things. And then there's also an infinite impact pen. Ooh, it's a beefy pen. All right. I have no idea how well it writes. Probably not, but we'll see. Okay. So we got a pen. And then last thing in here is a book. Yep, this is the name of the thing. It's the VIP code. And let's see here. What do we got? Is it like a workbook? It's a bookity book. Cool. I got my reading for the night. Awesome! Also, I am seriously jealous of that pink coat. I wouldn't necessarily want it in pink, but if I could get that in blue or green, yes! Black, definitely. Oh yeah. Alright, so there we go. That is the VIP code content creator box. We have the book, pen, quiet on the slapper, clicker, whatever thingy, the sticker, the journal, I'll definitely use the journal, the pop socket, I may or may not use, the water bottle, again, may or may not use, and the tripod. Love the tripod. There we go! VIP code. Again, I will give you Pickle Peeps a thorough review as I get further into the VIP code if I think it's worth it, if I think her trainings are working. And I mean, you'll be able to see that too, because if they're working, the channel will be growing by leaps and bounds instead of just, you know, leaps. Or we're at hopping stage right now for the channel. We're like ribbit, ribbit, hop. But once we start leaping like a gazelle, then we know we're good. And we're moving forward. Yeah, so there we go. That is that one. All right, so let me know, like, what kind of courses do you guys take? And do they come with swag boxes? Because I gotta say, I'm in a couple right now that do come with optional swag boxes. Like, some of them you get the box for, well, I don't want for free, but you pay so much to be in the program that, yeah, free. Yeah. And other ones you have to pay for like that. I know I've done the One Funnel Away challenge and gotten a box from that before. I'm in 2CCX. I get boxes from that. And it's like, it's almost, in my mind, becoming a standard that the higher end, more intense, better, dare I say, courses are putting together boxes. And whether that's an extra thing or an included thing, I don't know. But let me know, have you taken a class with a box before? Are you in any classes that you think should be in boxes? What are you jealous of that I just received in this? Are you drooling over that tripod too? Let me know in the comments below. If you are new, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out for when that review video comes out. And otherwise, I will see you later. Bye, Pickle Peeps! Oh, that button is a shutter button. What do you know? Cool. All right. There's a battery? What? I'm going to have to actually look at the thing. The wireless selfie stick tripod uses remote control to take photos instead of clicking on your cell phone camera. I have voice activated triggers, so I'm not too worried about that.